All right, so this is how you're going to use PinPerfect Pro. Basically, you're going to want to go to Amazon, find a product that's selling currently. So I went through and picked one for you. This one's selling $1,000 a month. And so good reviews, selling $1,000 a month, Amazon's choice, good product all around to pick and market. So what you're going to do is click on the image. Not that image. Let's click on this image is good. And then right click copy image. And from there, you'll go back to ChatGPT into PinPerfect Pro, and then you will push paste, which will paste the image in there. And then you say, create me a pin based on this product. So what's going to happen, it's going to create a completely optimized SEO pin for you. So it's going to give you the title. It's going to give you the description. It's going to give you the alt text, okay? It's going to tell you if you're going to create a board, what you should name that board based on the keyword that it chose for you, okay? It's going to give you visuals outlined, right? But you don't have to use those because it's going to give you an AI prompt. Once you have your AI prompt, you're going to open up the image section of ChatGPT. You're going to go over there and you're going to paste the image in that you got from Amazon, this one right here. Paste it in and hit and then paste in that prompt that was right here. Okay, so paste the image, paste the prompt, and hit enter. And then it'll go ahead and create an optimized pin for you that you can put on Pinterest. You save that, and now you go put that on Pinterest, and you use all of these parameters. Okay, you use your SEO optimized title, which is right here. It tells you primary keyword near the start. Curiously driven scroll stopping title. So the primary keyword is kitchen storage bin. Okay, so smart kitchen storage bin that organizes foil, wraps, and bags. And then gives you an optimized title within the 500 character limit. And it tells you that the keyword is close to the beginning, the first sentence. And then it also added secondary keywords so that you can optimize the SEO. And then it gives you a alt text that includes the keyword, but also gives, basically alt text is just visually or text explaining what the visuals are based on the product. So clear stackable kitchen storage bin with bamboo lid, holding plastic wrap, food storage bag. So it's for like visually impaired, but now it's used mostly for SEO purposes. Okay, so some visually people impaired have microphones on their computer and they can scroll over something and it'll tell you what you're looking at if you can't see. Okay, but it's very SEO driven. Okay, and then it'll give you your board, kitchen optimized, and pantry storage ideas. Okay, and then the rest is there. And then you can also go and do an A/B test. It'll give you 2 different pins. You can play around with this, but there's a ton of stuff you can do. You really can't mess it up. The more information you give it, the better it is. But if you just gave it what I gave it, an image, and said, create me a pin, it's going to give you a completely optimized pin. All right. Hope that helps.